Go kill somebody. Friday night on the strip.
Go out here for 2 days, you just learn how to just cross the street automatically.
Right?
Like, you don't be sitting back at the stop sign, in the corner waiting anymore.
On our Friday night stroll. Had dinner. Went to Hooters, had a beer, went to what's the other one? Not a Hard Rock. Yeah, Hard Rock.
Yeah, Hooters and Hard Rock.
Hooters and Hard Rock. Now we head to the Weed Club. They're open 24 hours out here. Fruit for days. Seafood everywhere. Seafood everywhere. Shopping everywhere. Want a suit tailored? It'll make you a suit. Thailand, they got a little bit of everything, man. Restaurants like Miami. Food.